It's been very difficult to engage with MK. We try to reach out. That's what we explained. We try to reach out and we drew blank. And it depends after this meeting whether we'll still meet with them. But like we said, we're open to talk to everybody, including the MK party. So what we know is what the leader of the party has said. And it's very difficult to talk to people there because when you talk to them, they tell you that they are still waiting for Ubaba. So, and Ubaba gatholakala. So we try to reach out, and even if yourself you can be in a position to help us. But the country must move ahead. The country must go on. The results have been pronounced. In the next 2 weeks, we must elect the speaker and elect the president. So we are open. We are open to talk to MK party. So that's not an issue for us.
Mr. Mbhalula Samkela from the SABC. On the issue of the Democratic Alliance, is this a question of an ideological deadlock or ideological contestation within the party? Those whom are conservative or who are moderates may say go DA, and those whom are perceived as radicals, the leftists, may say go with MK party and the economic freedom fighters. Does this have the potential of splitting you right down the middle, especially with the onslaught against your Deputy President Paul Mashatile?
No, we know of such rigidity. We're looking at models. It's not either highway or the small path. The question is, what have you achieved? What is before us and what model is good for South Africa? And when that model is agreed, will others beyond even the ANC agree to it? And that's what is important. And so it's not just a question of talking coalition without a model. It's a question of saying, do we have a model in this country through a national dialogue that will take South Africa forward, preserving the interest and safeguarding the interest of political parties in a particular way, without a political demise and identity of political parties. So we're at that stage now. The distortions out there, that's why we announced that we'll talk even to the DA, because there were distortions already, that there is an agreement that has been agreed to with the DA, and that is it. So that's not the case.
Mr. Mbhalula, I think you're not getting the... Okay.
No, my understanding is like you are saying that it's either EFF or MK and all of that. I'm saying we've got scenarios. From scenarios, we've got options. And we have narrowed down to GNU, where we invite everybody. So we have not confined ourselves to an identity of a party, because another political party may say we are not interested in that. What do? You negotiate. At the end of the day, negotiations are informed by the readiness to compromise and to accept for the goodwill of the people. The primary principle that guides us on this engagement is the interest of the people. Those who voted for the ANC, 6 million strong on the leaderboard, but equally those who did not vote. We've got a country to run. We've got a country to ensure that it actually moves forward, and that is what we're interested in.